Welcome to D-Plan Arts Ready. This video will show you how to add multiple facilities to your account. The previous version of D-Plan allowed for multiple facilities with some shared information, and users could export separate plans for each location. The new D-Plan Arts Ready will not export separate plans, but users can enter specific and differentiated information for their different locations. Before you begin, it's important to know that only users with admin or manager permissions can access the module needed to enter information for multiple facilities. Please see the tutorial entitled Adding Users and Assigning Roles on NEDCC's YouTube channel under the D-Plan Arts Ready playlist if you would like more information on user roles and permissions. Here is a quick look at what this tutorial will cover. We will start with learning how to enter multiple facilities in the Critical Stuff module, then move on to the Risk Assessment module. To wrap up, we will see how multiple facilities appear in reports. After logging into your account, you'll be taken to the dashboard homepage. From here, you'll enter the Critical Stuff module. This is where your organization can upload files, documents, images, spreadsheets, links, and notes with the information you need for emergency response and recovery. This is also where you will be inputting information about multiple facilities. Once in the Critical Stuff module, on the left side of the screen, there will be a menu that divides your critical stuff by format. For entering information on multiple facilities, you'll want to navigate to the Places database. Once in the Places database, you'll click the Add Critical Stuff button. It will take you to a screen that looks like this. From here, you follow the database's fields to enter information about your facilities. Additional fields not shown in this screenshot include things like security, utility shutoff, and contact information, as well as a field for entering any notes. Here's an example of a completed place under the Critical Stuff module using a fictional organization based on the Wizard of Oz. This place entry is for a storage area that's located behind stage 2 of the main venue, which is the Oz Community Theater. Important contact information and notes pertaining to this specific facility have been entered. Here is another example. In this one, you can see that the facility being documented is not in Kansas with the main facility, but it is an asset that needs to be considered when planning for emergencies. To add information about multiple facilities to the Risk Assessment module, navigate to the module by clicking Risk Assessment at the top menu. Then choose Facilities from the menu at the left side of the screen. Here are two examples of questions from the Facilities portion of the Risk Assessment module. You can answer each question only once, but you can use the Notes field to enter information about any or all of the facilities that are part of your emergency plan. If you're looking to print reports about your facilities, navigate to the Reports module at the top menu, and then find Facility and Venue Information on the menu at the left. From here, you can print a PDF or download an Excel spreadsheet for all the facilities information that you've entered in the Critical Stuff module. This is what it will look like if you choose the print option. And this is what it will look like if you choose to download or export. Additionally, your organization may choose to customize and distribute the D-Plan Arts Ready Pocket Response resource, which you see excerpted on the slide here. It's a free template that is designed to be printed on 8.5 by 11 copy paper, then folded and kept in your pocket or wallet for quick reference in an emergency. While this is not meant to replace your full emergency plan, it can be a great place to start with the initial steps of disaster response and is great for quick reference and may help to organize critical information for multiple facilities into one spot. You can download the PRR at dplan.org, by creating an account for your organization, then selecting Pocket Response Resource to access the template and instructions. If you already have a subscription, you will find the Pocket Response Resource saved with the guides and resources. If you have any questions about dplan Arts Ready, please visit dplan.org/help or email us at help@dplan.org.